This is a short video about the grid format. It's a format that you can have installed onto your Moodle site and then use in your course pages that I've found really useful. So traditionally most courses are in this format, which is the topic format, where you have a list of topics from top to bottom and you can browse in and out of those topics to go to the different activities within a course, and you can move left and right. This does work, and it's a very good sort of way to get around the course, but I've just found that it starts becoming a little bit cumbersome. So we installed a new plugin called the Grid plugin. To get it, you can go to moodle.org and you go to the plugins page, and you can just type Grid into the plugin search bar, and if you do a search there, I think it's the second or third, there we go, the Grid format. You can download that and install it into your Moodle site. You might need to ask your ICT integrator or IT team to do that for you. But once it's installed, what happens is that every course, if you go to the course settings, under the course format, if you scroll just below the summary, there's an option called course format. And in this course format, other than the normal weekly or topic ones, the option comes up for a grid format. Now what this will do is that for every single one of your topics, it'll create a little icon for you. So looking back over here, what you see now is, instead of having the five different topics that I had, I've now got them in sections, and if I've just left it as is, it'll just take me to each of those sections. I can actually go into that course mode, and one of the settings for the format is to show one section per page. If you change show all sections on one page, which was kind of a bad thing in the topics view, what that does in the grid view is it means that when you click on a certain topic, it pops up in this really nice kind of lightbox gallery look and feel. So that's showing me section 1, and I get these pop-up arrows which takes me to section 2, 3, 4 and so on. And so what I can do is really quickly change what my course looks like. On top of that, when you turn editing on, you can even move the information general section into the grid, so that becomes a part of the grid. And also the cool thing about the grid mode, so my course is starting to just look like 6 square boxes, is it's very simple to change the images in these boxes to make it look a little bit more, I don't know, drag and droppy. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to open up a folder of images that I've prepared beforehand, and I'm just going to drag some into here and save them. And you can see those images now just appear in those grids. So I'm just quickly throwing these images in. I'll do the last two. And the last one. So you can obviously add any image that you like and change them as you want. But what that's done is it's turned my course into a really kind of easy to navigate, simple and quite clean looking space. I can get to my general course information directly there. I can get to my first topic, where all my activities, I've only got one activity, and that links me to my actual tasks and that kind of stuff within that particular topic. But it cleans up the course quite a lot, and it makes it a lot more user-friendly, I think. You can turn editing on to get all of your bits and pieces back. So as soon as you turn the editing on, what you notice is all those topics open up as they would have done previously underneath, and you can start editing them, moving things around like you do normally. But as soon as you turn editing off, all those bits and pieces disappear, and as a student that's all you would see. And when you click on these tasks, it gets that really good look and feel. So the grid mode's a really nice looking way to change your course very quickly and simply, without having to do much image mapping or anything crazy. So hopefully you found that useful.